Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by telling Windows to tuck the taskbar away automatically so Excel can use the full screen. Open Settings, go to Personalization then Taskbar. Once there, enable Automatically Hide the Taskbar in desktop mode. This makes the bar slide out of view and only reappear when you move the mouse to the screen edge. Once done, switch back to Excel and move your cursor away from the bottom to confirm the taskbar hides as expected. Now reduce Excel's own interface so nothing competes with the workspace. You can press Ctrl plus F1 to collapse the ribbon quickly. Make sure the formula bar and any task panes are closed from the View tab. Together with the auto-hidden taskbar, this makes your workbook appear almost full screen. Make sure to move the mouse off screen to hide the taskbar. If you'll present, disable notifications so pop-ups don't force the taskbar open. Finish by testing and resolving common blockers. Move the cursor to the bottom edge to trigger the taskbar, then move it away and watch it retract. If it stays visible, check for an app or system tray notification keeping it awake, clear notifications or close that app. If problems persist, open Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer to reset the taskbar, and retest. Once it behaves, you'll have a clean Excel view with the taskbar hidden until you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.